Friends, this is the 9th budget of the UPA, 1 and 2 taken together. The 9th, they have one more chance left, and that is, if at all, a regular budget next year, and after that, there will be a vote on account, just before the elections. Now, this 9th budget came in the backdrop of a very grave economic crisis that the country is facing. There are economists who have written articles to show how the situation today is almost as grim as the situation was in 1991 in terms of fiscal deficit, revenue deficit, the current account deficit, and inflation, interest rates, lack of reforms, and therefore the challenges before the finance minister in this budget were almost as grave as they were when Manmohan Singh got up to present his budget in 1991. If you look at the budget that the finance minister has presented a little while ago, you will find that it has absolutely nothing in it which would give some hope to all of us that we will be able to meet the challenges before the economy. Now, what are the challenges before the economy? The number one challenge is absolute unrestrained fiscal deficit and revenue deficit that the government of India has been running for 4 years. The second challenge is the challenge of inflation. The third challenge is the challenge of interest rate hikes. The fourth challenge is the challenge of growth of the economy. And the fifth challenge is to be able to provide a better quality of life to our people, the urban poor and those living in the rural areas. Now, if you look at this budget in the backdrop of these challenges, you will find that the current year's fiscal deficit, which the finance minister had projected at 4.6% last year when he presented the budget, he has said has gone up, is going to go up to 5.9%. Now 5.9% is just below 6%. He didn't want to hit that bad figure of 6%. So he has done some financial engineering and kept it at 5.9%. Next year's fiscal deficit is projected at 5.1%, which means that the correction is going to be very slow. And though he has come out with a new FRBM bill, it remains to be seen what happens to long-term fiscal correction, which is what we had achieved through the FRBM Act. As the finance minister said, it was passed in 2003 when we were in government, and we had worked for many years and very hard to put that in place. And I'd like to mention to you just one figure. That figure is 2008-09 figure. Okay, in that year, the fiscal deficit of the government of India had come down to 2.5%, budgeted. I'm talking about the BE. 2008-9 BE is 2.5% fiscal deficit, 1.1% revenue deficit, and in absolute numbers, this deficit was about 1,20,000 crore.